Good morning. So today I'm gonna ask you a few questions and teach you what it's like to be a successful woman. Okay, what entails success? Well, for me as a woman, is pursuit of happiness and always making sure that I have confidence in myself to win whatever that my heart desires. First, as a woman, we'll face a lot of discrimination, so we need to make sure that we have confidence in ourselves to take risks that can lead us to progress. So, I will start with the importance of confidence. Having confidence is rule number one. That's what's going to lead you to be successful. First of all, everything I do in the morning when I come to the office, I make sure I place this mirror in front of me so I can watch every move I make with my face. See, I love this mirror. It reminds me every second how beautiful and valuable I am and how grateful this world should be having me in it because I am just super awesome. So always remind yourself how fabulous and awesome you are because that will definitely contribute to your success. So confidence will establish that. Don't be afraid of taking risks because that's how you discover yourself and your potentials. Take risks, and also don't listen to anyone because you will always meet people who will doubt you. So don't doubt yourself and believe in yourself and just take control of your life. Peace in Muhubo. We're having fun looking hot lifestyle.